Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cooking from the Garden. Today, I will be making garlic scape pesto. Garlic scape is the flower stalk of a hardneck garlic plant. It has a spicier flavor when compared to the garlic cloves. Harvesting the garlic scape allows the plant to focus its energy on the cloves. As a result, we get better yield. Here are the ingredients for the garlic scape pesto. We have extra virgin olive oil, we have garlic scapes, Parmesan cheese, there's also pecan nut, lemon juice, and we're going to use the zest, both the juice and the zest from the lemon, and sea salt. So let me show you how we're going to combine all our ingredients together and you'll see the result. All right? So I've already cut the garlic scapes and I am just right here. I have 2 cups. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it. If you have a food processor, I'm using my Ninja Bullet part of my kitchen system. I have 1/2 cup of olive oil, and this is extra virgin olive oil. And I have lemon, so I'm just gonna squeeze the lemon a bit, and sometimes when you squeeze it, like press against the lemon, that allows to get more juice. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lemon in half. I'm just gonna use half of a lemon. Basically, I'm just gonna hold it here. That way I catch all the seeds because I don't want the seeds in. It seems to have any seeds in this part. Just gonna go ahead and get the zest from the lemon, and I'm just using the half that I get the juice from. You can get the zest from the lemon before juicing it or after juicing it. I'm gonna sprinkle the pecan nuts. The cheese I'm gonna add last. Adding the salt. I will go ahead and add the cheese. There you have it, our finished product, our garlic scape pesto. Enjoy! And stay tuned for more recipes from the garden. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe as we will be sharing more and more recipes and how we're growing food. All the best. Take care.